everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's tutorial, we will be seeing how we can install Blockblast on your iPhone. So let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open App Store on your iPhone. After opening the App Store, tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of your phone. Now go to the search bar and type Blockblast and search it. And then you will see app on the screen. Tap on it and then you can tap on Get. The Face ID will be required, so double click on your power button. Now the install process has been started. And this is how you can install Blockblast in your iPhone. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much. See you next time.